Google Scholar is a tool from Google that allows for efficient searching of scholarly works like books and journal articles. Google Scholar can be extremely helpful because it allows quick access to articles your library has digital access to, rather than having to find the database that contains each article. If you are connected to a library's network, either via Wi-Fi or on a library computer, and that library is associated with Google Scholar, you will automatically see links to the full text provided by the library. However, even if you are not connected to an associated library's network, you can still configure Google Scholar to let you see that library's full text holding. Simply open the menu tab, click the settings icon, and select library links from the sidebar. Then search for your library in the search bar and select your library from the list that is generated. Here, we'll search for the New York Public Library and select it from the list. Although I had already selected library links from St. John's University, I can add NYPL because you can select up to 5 libraries. As it notes at the bottom of the screen, Google Scholar will merely provide access links based on your library selections. You may still need to log in with your library credentials to see the full text of articles. Make sure to save your preferences. Once you have set up your library access links, you can start using Google Scholar most effectively. For example, you may have a citation, such as this one, to an article from the Journal of American Ethnic History. If you copy and paste the citation into the search bar and click on the full text link, you will be directed straight to your library's holding for the article. You can also use Google Scholar in the initial stages of your research by entering search terms right into the search bar. You can also perform a more exact search by accessing the advanced search from the menu tab. For example, you can search for the word immigration and the exact phrase New York, and limit the search to the title of the article. As you can see, the results include a book and several articles. Google Scholar also allows you to keep track of your research if you are logged into a Google account. If you find an article or book that you want to use, or you want to save something to read later, you can add it to your Google Scholar library by clicking the star at the bottom of each citation. You can find all your saved citations by clicking My Library. You can sort the items in your library by labeling them. Select the item or items you wish to label, then click the Label button. Select either a label you have already created or click Create New. You can add multiple labels to the same item. You can see only the items with a specific label by selecting it from the sidebar. This has been a brief introduction to Google Scholar.